chaga mushroom tea and mushroom coffee. What is it and what are the health benefits of drinking this amazing mushroom tea or coffee? So stick around as we get into it. Now remember guys, if you like today's content, please click on the like and subscribe button, comment, it will help my channel to grow. So let's begin. What is chaga mushroom? So chaga mushroom is actually a fungus that is grown in wild areas like Siberia, northern Canada, as well as Alaska. So what chaga mushroom does is that it is a fungus that grows on the bark of a tree, and it's that fungus that is extracted as a mushroom and ground into a beautiful chicory looking or coffee looking powder. So what makes this powder or mushroom so special than your normal mushroom is the fact that it has a high ORAC value. Now ORAC means oxygen radical absorbing capacity, and the higher the ORAC value of a particular food, the higher its ability to reduce free radicals, which causes diseases. So it's a very powerful antioxidant and immune booster and superfood. So studies have shown that chaga mushroom can actually reduce inflammation. It can help fight cancers. Some studies have shown that it's reduced tumors, and it's also helped boost immunity, physical endurance. It's also known as an adaptogen. Now, an adaptogen is actually a herb or superfood that helps your body to balance it and brings it to a level of homeostasis. And what that does is it gives your body, it regulates your body so that it's able to function optimally. It's also known to be antiviral, antimicrobial, so it fights infections, and it also helps with overall health. So your digestive health, fighting diseases, if you're looking for something to help boost your skin, help your hair to grow, just overall health. But it's actually a superfood. Now, a lot of people say, but there are other types of mushrooms out there that are adaptogenic and also can be considered a superfood. So the other types are cordyceps, there's reishi, there's also lion's mane and turkey tail. Now, each mushroom has a different superpower, and on my channel, I'll go into the detail of each of those in future episodes. But the reason I chose chaga is because number one, it's what I've tested and tried. And for the benefits that it claims to have, I've seen changes in my immune system. I've seen changes in my skin. I've seen changes in my ability for workouts, physical endurance, having more energy, and getting less sick, less colds. So for me, it's been a very positive experience. I've been taking chaga for about 3 months now. And we'll get into the recipe of how you make the tea and the coffee. So guys, let's talk about how do you make the chaga mushroom tea. So the first step is in a glass or in a mug, you're going to put in a teaspoon, or start off with half a teaspoon if you're a bit wary about this particular superfood. Add in half a teaspoon of chaga mushroom. You can add in a teaspoon of espresso or any coffee of your choice, whether it's freshly brewed or instant coffee, up to you. Add in your hot water, so boil some water from a kettle, pour that in, add some honey, and you're good to go. Now, the taste of this particular mushroom tea or mushroom coffee is very earthy because it smells very earthy. It is it's literally a fungus from a bark of a tree. So, it tastes a little bit of the soil, if I could put it as such. So don't be alarmed by that. That's why a lot of people add all these additional ingredients to flavor it if the earth flavor is too strong for you. So you can add, raw honey, agave syrup. You can add brown sugar if you'd like. You can even add any plant-based milk. Mix that all together. You can even make a latte if you'd like with ashwagandha and enjoy that as a coffee. Now as a tea, you're going to follow the same steps, but instead of the coffee, you're obviously going to add a tea bag of your choice. You can do a peppermint tea, chamomile tea, lavender tea if you want something to really relax you. So when can you actually take this? You can have it in the morning if you want to start off your day and make sure you have energy, or when your energy dips in the afternoon and you need a pick me up. This is going to help you. It also aids sleep. I find that I'm actually having more regulated and uninterrupted sleep, so it's fantastic for you. Yeah, and so again, as I said, you can make a chai latte, you can even make a hot chocolate chaga mushroom latte, all up to you. So guys, it's that simple. Try out chaga mushroom. Visit my website www.natassiar1.com for more recipes and more products. And let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've tried chaga mushroom. What has been your experience? Comment on my YouTube channel or on social media, and let me know if it's been a positive experience for you.